Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today I have the fourth question of exercise 11.4. We have to show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. And theta is an acute angle. It is lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So let's consider the LHS part of the question first. So LHS we have 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. So now in this LHS part, I am going to substitute the reciprocal of cot A in the denominator. We know that cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Therefore, cot square A is equal to 1 by tan square A. So this would be 1 minus tan square A by 1 by tan square A minus 1. So in the denominator, I am going to take LCM. So this would be 1 minus tan square A in the numerator, and the LCM would be tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A by square A. And if we get confused like this, we can write like 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 minus tan square A by tan square A. And if I change the division symbol to multiplication symbol, I have to reciprocal the second term. So this would be 1 minus tan square A multiplied by tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. So this 1 minus tan square A and 1 minus tan square A would get cancelled, and we are left with tan square A, which is the RHS part of the question. So we took the LHS part and we finally got the RHS part. Therefore, we showed that if 1 minus tan square A by cot square A is equal minus 1 is equal to tan square A if theta is less than 0, 90 and greater than 0. That's it. It's very simple. I took the LCM part, I substituted the reciprocal of cot A in the denominator, then took the LCM in the denominator, and then simplified. And if we got the answer, we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. That's why we showed it. Hope you understood the subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.